on Training Delaware, and today with me I got Sophie. Sophie is a 1-year-old Great Dane that's here with us for our to-be born and trained program. A lot of her issues are hard to manage because of the size. So as you guys can see, with a size this big, she can definitely cause some damage. So we're here to teach her how there's a time and place for everything, and also teach all those good fundamentals with the basic obedience. She actually just strained her mother's back, her owner's back, a couple of days before the drop-off. So once again, as you can see, it's definitely a lot harder to try to manage a dog this size. And the other issues are just kind of common things. Well, the jumping up on people, pawing at you, begging for food at the table, and so on. So we're here to make sure to teach her those boundaries. And once again, it's a lot easier for her to put her chin at the table than it is for any other breeds around. So we'll see what she currently knows regarding the obedience. Sophie, come. Good jobs. Say, good. So as you guys can see, she knows come and sit, but it's definitely not consistent with it. With low distractions. So you can only imagine how it would be with high distraction. And then that, once again, right? I can hold her back if she jumps up on me, but let's say a kid came across the street, she wanted to go say hi, or somebody in a wheelchair, somebody riding a bicycle, whatever it might be, it'd be a lot harder to try to put her back down. So she knows come and sit, but isn't consistent with the sit. So let's see, place. Sophie, come, place. Jeez, place. 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 So as you can see with this size, place. It's a lot harder to try to take a paw to your knee the way it'd be with a smaller dog. Sophie, come. So if she knows sit, let's see if she knows down. Come, sit. Down. Down. Sophie, down. Almost. Down. Not the other one. Down. As you guys can see.
of the game. It's a rich thing.